first and second graders, welcome back. This is our third lesson, week 3, okay? So what I thought you guys could do is hopefully you have a noodle, a swim noodle at your house. This one looks kind of short. That's because it was big, you know how they come really long, but I cut it in half so that it's not so long. So if you have one at home, this would be a really fun thing to use, and you could, we could do a lot of fun hand-eye coordination stuff with this. So the first challenge is what I'm going to do is I want you to have your hand out, and you're going to place the noodle on top of your palm, and you don't get to grip it because that's just totally cheating, so you cannot do that. So you have to release your fingers, and you have to have your hand almost like a cup. Okay, so you're going to try to see if you can balance the noodle on your hand. Okay? Now, if it starts to go, grab it and then put it back on the palm of your hand. Okay? Now, you're going to hold it right at you can hold it wherever. You can put your other hand on high, you can put it down low, but you want to hold it until you really feel. You're going to release your fingers to see if you can, it's starting to go. Okay, so put your fingers back on there. But you're going to try to use your other hand as the balancing part to hold it. Okay, so you're going to be using your arms to balance, and you're going to feel it in the palm of your hand. Okay, so you're going to have to adjust your hand maybe. Some of you might be doing this all over the place. That's totally fine. If it starts to drop, no big deal. Just grab it, see if you can put it back up. Okay, why don't you go ahead and see if you can try. Okay, all right, you go ahead and try. All right, the next thing you can do with a noodle is you can toss it up, catch. Okay, whichever hand, the same hand, whatever hand you have, you can put your fingers on the bottom if you want because you're going to be tossing it up, okay? So you might want a little room with this one. So if you're in your living room and maybe the ceiling's not so high, maybe you could go outside in front of the garage. So you can toss it nice and high, and then I want you to see, Mrs. Anderson didn't catch it that time. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Here we go. Toss it up. Catch. Get your hands ready. Okay, so you're gonna be using your gripping, and you're gonna be watching that noodle and see if you can catch it. Now it'd be kind of hard to try to find it and try to catch it on the bottom, so that's not what I'm asking you to do. Okay, however, as it's falling, you wanna watch it and see if you can have your hand ready to catch the noodle, okay? All right, go ahead and try that. All right, the next challenge, this one's a little bit more tricky. You're gonna have your hand on the bottom of the noodle. Then you're going to release it, and you're gonna want it to slide down your hand. Slide, and then you wanna catch it. See if you can catch it close to the other end, okay? So I'm gonna hold it at the bottom. I'm gonna release. It's gonna slide down, and then I'm gonna catch it right before. So I'm still at the top, okay? So you're gonna be using your hands, okay? Here we go, I'm gonna try it, see how far I go. Not quite, I didn't get still close to the top. I'm gonna try it again, okay? Here we go, gonna let go. Nope, not quite, I'm gonna try it one more time. I got a little bit closer that time, okay? So you go ahead and practice that. Whichever hand is your strongest, I want you to release your fingers just a little bit, let it slide, and then grab. Now, if you feel like, I'm only going here, that's totally fine. If you release and catch, that's fine. You'll get it, and then pretty soon just see if you can, that might happen too. Slide all the way through, okay? So go ahead and you can practice that. All right, this one is gonna be working on your hand, your grip, okay? So strengthen your hands. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna hold it out, and you're gonna start at one end. You're gonna do a grip, and then you're gonna grab your other hand, grip, okay? And then you're gonna go over, grip, squeeze, all the way to the end, okay? So every time you squeeze, you should feel this muscle right here, okay? It's right underneath, and you're gonna feel that muscle. As soon as you squeeze your hands, these muscles are gonna go, and they're gonna get tight, Okay, so you're strengthening all of this, which means you're strengthening your hands, strengthening the muscles in the palm of your hand. Okay, so this is hand strength. So you're gonna squeeze, squeeze all the way down. Okay, all the way down. Don't relax. Okay, now we're gonna go back. All right, go ahead. You can try that. Okay, so this is what you can do. Now, this is a soft noodle. I'm on a hard surface, so this is not where you would want to do it. I would want you to do it on a soft carpet area, okay? Or out on the grass, would totally be fine, but not on anything hard, no hardwood floor. I'm heavy, so I will probably be able to stay on top, but we'll see how this goes. So what you're gonna do is, you're going to see if you can balance your feet on top of the noodle. And you're gonna see if you can stay on the ball of your toes, okay? The ball of your toe it's not down here, because this is your heel, okay? So it's up here, this is called the ball of your foot. So you're gonna be putting your weight right on the end, okay? And you're gonna bring your heels up nice and slow. And I want your hands out, and you're gonna see if you can stand on that noodle and try to see if you can keep your heels off of the ground, okay? Go ahead and see if you can practice that. Okay, there's one more that you could do, and you can be walking along the noodle, so you're gonna be facing the noodle this way. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna try to walk across the noodle, and this is you're gonna be doing all of your feet. So you're gonna heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, okay? So I don't know if you remember this, but you were having to walk along a jump rope when we were doing this on the grass, and you're having to work on your balance, heel, toe, heel, toe. So you're gonna try to see if you can put your foot down, hands out. See if you can put your foot right in front of your, so heels goes right in front of your toe. Heel right in front of your toe, okay? If you fall off, oh, no big deal. Start over, see if you can do it again, okay? All right, go ahead and try it. All right, so that was the end of lesson 3 with your swimming noodle, if you had one. And I hope you guys had a good time, and I will see you guys next time. All right, goodbye.